Windows comes bundled with a few apps by default, but what if your Windows device is missing these default apps? Now you don't have to worry, as this is an easy problem to fix. So the first thing to do if default apps are missing would be to check if they're still installed on your computer. For this, open the Start menu and search for the app by name. Now if it is not listed as search results, then it is not installed. And you will need to install it from the Microsoft Store app. But if it appears but does not open, you can uninstall them first by opening Apps and Features, scroll down, find the app, select More Options, select Uninstall, then install it again from the Microsoft Store. Additionally, you can also run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, scroll down to Windows Store Apps, then choose Run. Now the troubleshooter will scan your system for any issues and try to fix them automatically. As for our last fix, run a system file checker and the DISM scan. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Once done, type in the following command, then press Enter to execute the DISM scan. And those are the following ways on how to restore missing default applications and programs on Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.